before we go any further, and it's already started, I think, I have a giveaway. Okay, you may have noticed down in the description, there should be a link to this page, which is a giveaway for Ask the Cheeseman episode 193. It's not a high valued thing. As you can see, there are two prizes. We are giving away, and I'm sending anywhere in the world because it's fairly light, a cheese trier. And a cheese trier is one of those essential cheese making tools that, you can check the insides of your cheese without having to cut it open, without having to wreck the maturation of it. So cheese trier, I'll open a little box. We sell these at Little Green Workshops, but because I'm a nice man, we are going to give one away if I can get it out of the box. Right, so there it is in all its glory. Just to make sure I'm not sending you an empty box. But yeah, it's a handcrafted cheese trier for smaller, for 10-litre sized cheeses. Maybe you could even try cheeses that are up to, say, 20 litres of milk. So that's the first prize. The second prize, as Kim got these made up, I didn't even know she did it a while ago. This is the only one left in existence. The other one I think I gave to Ruth as a present for something she sent me. So, g'day, Curd Nerd Love. It's a mouse pad. For those who don't know, you put your mouse on it and, move it around over my face. Very exciting things to do. But that's the second prize. So we're going to draw that next Ask the Cheeseman. So at just after that stream is finished, I will continue the stream for about another 10 minutes and we'll do the draw and all that sort of good stuff. So find the description down below, go to the giveaway, put your email address in, share whatever you need to share to get entries. There's lots of entries for subscribing to all the various YouTube channels that Kim and I run. So yeah, fill your boots there and hopefully you'll be in the running when you do it all, and win the cheese trier or the mouse pad. Like I said, I'm going to send it to anywhere in the world if I can get it there. There is a caveat, unfortunately, and I'll just read that off of the page that I've done for the competition. It says, Curd nerds from all countries are welcome to enter. However, some countries may have shipping restrictions that prevent shipping of the prize. If this occurs, we will be redrawing the winner. Prizes cannot be exchanged for cash. All winner decisions are final and no negotiation will be entered into. So that's my little terms and conditions there. But yeah, that will be good fun to get into the cheese making giveaway. So link in the description below, but that will be cool.